everyone, this is Selena.
This is Hallie.
We are close friends, global 친구.
Today we'll be learning about how to read a calendar in Korean. The word for calendar in Korean is
달력, 달력,
달력.
달력. Oh, by the way, this calendar says 매일매일 모든 것이 좋아진다. 매일매일 is everyday. 모든 것이 is everything. 좋아진다 is getting better. Everything is getting better in 2019. What a nice calendar.
Yeah.
Yay.
So this is a Korean calendar, but not really, because usually in Korea, the Sunday is over here next to the Saturday. And the
January.
month
Yes,
is
in
usually
English,
not in
yeah.
English.
But anyway, yeah, that's the calendar. 달력, 달력.
So in this video, we will go through and learn how to say the months and the days. So firstly, with the months. Very easy. We learnt about the Sino Korean numbers in an earlier video. Which is up here for the link. All you need to do is
add 월, 월. The counter for month is 월, 월.
월. Okay, so we'll go through, but be aware there will be two exceptions and we'll talk about it when we come to it. So first, January.
1월, 1월.
February.
2월, 2월.
March.
3월, 3월.
April.
4월, 4월.
May.
5월, 5월.
Exception number 1, June.
So 6 in Sino-Korean number was 6, but in this case we don't say 6월. No, this is not right. So we have to drop the last letter, so it becomes U, U-wol, U-wol.
July.
7월, 7월.
August.
8월, 8월.
September.
9월, 9월.
October.
That's another exception. So 10 is 10, but it's not 10월. So we also drop the last letter from 10, which becomes Si, Si-wol, Si-wol, Si-wol.
November.
Sip-il-wol, Sip-il-wol.
And finally, December.
Sip-ee-wol, Sip-ee-wol, Sip-ee-wol.
So now you know how to say the months of the year. Let's move on to learn how to say the dates of the months. The counter for the dates is
1, 1.
So the first is
1, 1, 1, 1. So it's same. 1, 1, 1, 1.
What about the second?
2, 1, 2, 1.
Are there any exceptions here?
Not really. So it's simple.
Okay.
So just number plus the counter 1.
Perfect.
So for example, so 25th is 25일. 25일.
What's the date today?
오늘 며칠이야? So 오늘 is today. 몇 is what. 일 is date. 오늘 며칠이야 is just asking the question. So 오늘 며칠이야? So what's the date today?
So here, as we are filming, it is January the 26th. How would you say that in Korean?
1월 26일. 1월 26일.
Okay, so I noticed that you say the month first instead of the date.
Yeah,
we
in
say
Korean.
the date first.
Yeah.
So let's break down what you just said.
오늘 1월 26일이야. 오늘 1월 26일이야. 오늘 is today. 1월 is January. 26일 is 26th. 이야 is.
Okay, so you said today and then the month first and then the date. So it's opposite to us. And then is.
Yeah.
Let's practice another example. So another example, let's say today is the 1st of October.
오늘 10월 1일이야. 오늘 10월 1일이야.
And the next example you can answer. So June 23rd. Put your answers in Korean in the comments below.
In Korean. Oh, and it says 사랑합니다. 사랑합니다. I love you all. Love you all.
What a nice calendar.
Yeah, it is. So everything is getting better and better in 2019 to you all.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos.
좋아요와 구독을 눌러주세요. 그러면 다음에 봐요. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.